how to fix TikTok shadow ban in Indonesia. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix your account if it has been shadow banned and if you're from Indonesia. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are in Indonesia and your TikTok account you believe has been shadow banned by TikTok for some weird reason, the first thing you can try to check is to make sure that you don't have any type of suspicious or weird content concerning any political dramas or 18 plus contents. So in that case, you just want to make sure that your TikTok account or your contents are totally clean from all those. Another thing is that instead of shadow ban, maybe some of your privacy settings has been mismatched. In order to check for that, you can try to tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, then go to the option settings and privacy. First of all, you go to account, and under account information, if you have set your account private, then make sure to set that to public. If you go to your privacy, turn off your private account. Under interactions also, make sure that you select all of this to the maximum publicity possible. For example, if you want someone to comment, you have to make sure to enable comment, because if you don't get enough comments and engagement also, TikTok might shadow ban your account. Now, one thing that you can also try, and I recommend, is that you try to deactivate your account once. So tap the account option from the top, go to deactivate or delete account, then go to deactivate account and deactivate your account. Leave it like that for a couple of hours or days if you can, then just reactivate it again, and that should hopefully help you solve the problem. If you are using any type of VPN configuration on your device, you also want to make sure that you are not using any of those. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.